Hello YouTube, we're here again, and we're gonna go bowling today, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna go bowling. I think there's only 2 places in Hong Kong, right? 2? I think there's only 2. Yeah, and we're gonna show you how to get there. Yeah, that's the most important part, is showing you how to get there.
Lezter.
Look. Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, welcome to J. Paul.
Hi.
Thank you.
Alright. Can we get 2 of these? You want to eat them here really quick? Yeah, here, dine in. 2 of these.
Lezter.
The white ones. Alright, so we just finished our donuts. We're gonna go to 7-Eleven and get a Red Bull, some water for her, and we're gonna take you to the minibus stop, and we're gonna show you the intersection of where you need to be. Oh yeah. Alright, so this street here is Dundas, and that is the street where the ladies' market is. So, find Dundas, the end of the ladies' market, and here is the bus stop, right there. Okay, so here's the minibus stop that you guys need to find. Sai Kung to Mong Kok. See, it takes you back and forth, right here on Dundas Street, right next to the hospital. Okay guys, I will give you a map here. Got it, cool. All right. All right, we're gonna go there and we'll be good. All right. Okay guys, so here's the issue with the minibuses. They only take off whenever people are inside of them. So we're in here, but we have to wait for more people to get on the bus. So it's cool. Here goes one person. But there's 16 seats in here that have to be filled. So we might be here for a good 20 minutes or so. So yeah, that's okay. So it's starting to rain pretty hard out here. Look at that, you can't even see outside. Yeah, I'm glad we're going to be indoors. I'm glad we didn't try to schedule anything that we're going to be doing outdoors. We should be getting close, hopefully. Tiki Tiki bowling bar. We're going bowling in the rain. That's what I said to your mama. Tiki Tiki bowling bar. Check this out, guys. Tiki Tiki. They have like, this is pretty dope. We got all the size bowling shoes in here. They probably don't have my size, as I guessed. Yeah. Patio. There's a patio? Cool. This is really nice in here.
And I just noticed that if we have to rent those shoes, they don't have my size. You ready to get spanked?
Yeah, with what balls?
Get it. Are you sure that fits your little fingers? All right, let's go. Gotcha, son. You ready for this? You ready for the beating of your life? The beating of your life? So how you liking it? You ready?
I haven't done this in like 2 years.
Long time. Look at this. Look at this classic beating. Look at that. It's only 1 point.
What's your point?
Nothing. It should, right? Yeah. All right, that was me. This is Heiner. All right, I'm gonna beat that score. You feeling okay? You sad? You happy? Jesus Christ. You weren't even close.
Too heavy.
Too heavy?
Yeah.
It's only 15 pounds, dude.
I can't even bench that much on my arm.
She still got all of them left. Got it, got it. That's a hardcore split right there. What are you gonna do about that, young lady? She's going down the lanes, and here we go!
I didn't know you were following.
Nothing. And here she goes. This is for the shot at the Olympics in 2020 in Tokyo, Japan. Are you beating me?
Took your turn.
Oh, it was the last turn. I'm a fucking idiot. Hoya! Yeah. So, we got the split down here. So, we got a split down there. I'm hot. I don't know what to say anymore.
Let's see. How do you think?
She did a lot better like that than regular. Alright, so we found a little town. We're going to show you through it. It's raining pretty hard right now, so I'm trying not to get the camera wet.